Okay, so today's December 15th. I'm playing my first game of basketball. Got the Gophers on TV. Gophers are ranked 20th, so getting some inspiration. We're here with Chris Hafley, who's here visiting. Got our Minnesota shirt on to represent. Kai's trying out for the team here. Getting the ball. Going to the hoop.
In the paint.
Woo, is he going to shoot? Are you going to shoot and score, buddy?
Dribble, dribble.
Oh, okay. Put it in the hoop, bud. Are you going to shoot?
Put it in, put it in. Put it in the hoop. Can you put it in the hoop?
Yeah, you were just scoring lots of points.
Can you put the ball in the hoop?
Woo! Good job.
Yeah!
Yeah, good job. See, I'm 10.5 months and I'm a pro. Yeah, say woo! Hey, bud. Can you score? Woo! Good job.